Okay, so here is my latest project. A 1972 Suzuki T500 Titan 2-stroke. I have the tank off right now. It's down there. It's in very good shape. Paint is in great shape. The chrome is pitted, unfortunately, so that'll probably down the line I'll have that replated. The seat, I'm not sure if that's an original cover on that seat or not, but it's in very good condition also. I'll post a picture in the video of what it looked like before I had it apart. I had forgotten to record a video before that. Anyway, so the story behind this bike is a friend and client of mine with my business. He's had this bike sitting in his backyard since approximately 2012, and this is now 2020, and it was covered under a cheap Canadian Tire tarp, and I'm amazed it is in as good a condition as it is, in considering, because as you can see down there, the tank is beautiful. It's in really nice shape, but it does have some light rust in there and some goopy gas that I'm going to clean out. And I'm planning to clean that out with vinegar and then neutralize the tank afterwards with some baking soda. But let me know if you know of a better way to do that. I'd love to hear about it. And I took the carbs off yesterday. 2 Mikuni carbs. The boots, of course, they need to be replaced. The carbs are up on the bench here. I got the parts in these couple of little bins here. I marked them left and right, though I don't know why, because it doesn't really matter. Both the same, I believe. There are the carbs there, the bowls and the carbs. The one on the right there, that was the nastiest one. The other one was totally dry and clean, but the other one had a little bit of goop left in there, and it still does, because I've got a friend of mine that has an ultrasonic cleaner that I should be able to borrow to clean those up. And the nut on this mirror here, the left-hand side mirror, it was froze up, so I lubricated that to try to free it, and same with the rear brake light switch, which was also frozen, jammed up, so lubed that up, which works well now, or at least it moves now. I don't know if it works. We'll come to that later down the line. So anyhow, so I'm going to load up that tank with some vinegar, unless you know of a better thing to do. Let that sit for a couple days, get the rust out. I don't know though if that vinegar will work for getting rid of the gummy gas that's in there, or if I'll have to use something else. There's not very much, but even still. And yeah, so it's been already a hell of a lot of fun, and bike kicks freely. It was in perfect mechanical condition when it was parked, so I'm hoping that it will still be quite good when we finally get it running again. First we'll have to do the basic things: tires, chain and sprockets, battery, all that happy stuff. Change out the 2-stroke oil that is in the oil tank here. I really like these side covers on this particular bike. The other T500s I've seen of this year have a big sort of a chrome thing on there, which is a little bit, I don't know how much I care for that. I really like this, but especially with that orange sparkly sort of finish in the 500. I think that's pretty neat. But yeah, so that's in good shape. The other side cover I got up on the bench here, pardon the mayonnaise, that's in great shape too. Another friend gave me a service manual for the bike, which is always handy. And so there you have it. Over there you can see my XJ750 1984, and crammed in here under the riding jackets is my CB900 1981. Always fun.